From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
All right, things are calming down and partly to mostly cloudy skies as we head through the overnight. Morning lows in the upper 60s and lower 70s around daybreak here for our Friday morning, but showers and thunderstorms get going again as we head through the midday and the afternoon hours. Here's that Futurecast breakdown. And going quiet tonight, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Morning lows get down to the upper 60s, lower 70s. We get our daytime heating in here, get back to the upper 80s, lower 90s for our Friday. And showers and thunderstorms start to bubble up. And just like earlier today, in waves, they may be pretty widespread, although they'll still be scattered around. Not everybody getting rain all at once. Not everybody getting an all-day soaker. But there will be numerous scattered showers and thunderstorms out there as we get up into the upper 80s and lower 90s for daytime highs. A lot of that fading away by the evening, but still can't rule out a few showers or thunderstorms into the overnight hours of our Friday night. So it may not be just the early evening. Things may try to come back in during the overnight. We'll watch that for a few gusty thunderstorms as well. And then bigger rain chances for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. We'll have this front easing down into the area. Showers and thunderstorms will be likely for both Saturday and Sunday, daytime periods and the nighttime periods, which is unfortunate news because it's looking more and more like movie on the square in downtown Lawrenceburg Saturday evening may be rained out from what the weather data looks like, and it's starting to lock onto this idea. We're still going to watch to see how that goes, but for right now, weather's not looking too good for it. Showers and thunderstorms likely again on Sunday, and then even scattered showers and thunderstorms possible early next week as well before things become more isolated. A widespread 2 to 3 inches of rain possible over the next 7 days, and a lot of this will be centered up over the weekend during that heavy wet period. Now, this is an overall generalization. Not everybody's going to get this specific amount. Some areas could luck out and not get quite as much. Other areas could see isolated heavier totals. But a general 2 to 3 inches of rainfall expected for most of us, with isolated heavier totals possible, with a lot of that centering up on the weekend. So maybe the possibility of at least some isolated street flooding, some isolated low-end type flash flooding. No big widespread flood threat expected at this time. We'll watch it carefully though. Mid to upper 80s to lower 90s for the next 5 days. Upper 60s, lower 70s in here for your morning lows. We're right around where we should be for this time of year, maybe even a little bit cooler than average for daytime highs by a few degrees. Tropical satellite showing not a lot going on as we head through our Thursday afternoon, evening here, and no official tropical development expected in the Atlantic for at least the next 7 days. As always, we'll watch it carefully for you. Upper 60s, lower 70s to start our Friday morning, partly to mostly cloudy. And then as we head through the day, showers and thunderstorms scattered in nature, but become more widespread into the afternoon and evening. Some of the rainfall locally heavy. Daytime highs in the upper 80s, lower 90s. Better chances of rain and thunderstorms as we head into the weekend. Saturday and Sunday both, rain and thunderstorms likely. Not an all-weekend washout, but it is going to be wet around here at times. Daytime highs in the mid to upper 80s. And then we start to warm up a little bit closer to lower 90s for most everyone into where the middle of next week as rain chances start to become a little more isolated. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. Kelly Rossins in the Weather Center tomorrow morning with another update to your local weather.